very messy, untidy me. So this video, angle wrong, this video I am going to do a little bit of painting. I built myself a brick trough for my garden to replace an old trough that was wood, and I did some weeding at the beginning of the week and it got very rotten, and it's been 10 years since I installed it, so it's time to rip out and upgrade. So done the brickwork, which I will show you pictures right now. And of course, yes, that looks very messy, doesn't it? But don't panic, going to paint it. And it's going to have a nice rustic feel. So let's get to it. Right, so was gonna show you pictures of it all done. As you can see, I have done, and I've done the taps as well, just as an extra little sort of thing. Did that originally when I first did the wooden troughs and painted them all white. So yeah, and then, you know, one has checked weather, and one did check the weather, and it wasn't going to rain, and the heavens have suddenly like, you know, opened up. So my reveal isn't going to happen. Basically, what you see is what you get. It is currently covered up in blue tarpaulin with old deck chairs and things just to prop it above, and all of my old trough wooden pits, all the rotten wooden bits all around it to try and keep the tarpaulin off of my paintwork. So looks like I will be doing a bit of touching up and stuff after. So yeah. DIY at its best, and do you know what? Don't really mind, because end of the day, it is what it is. I checked the weather, it said no rain, and it rained. all it said was cloudy over thing. And it has been cloudy over doodahded all week and nothing's happened. So it is what it is. So I think it's going to be an afternoon now of just sitting and watching TV for my last day of my actual holiday, because I've been on holiday this week. So yes, and I turned 43. 43. I mean 43. Ugh. But yeah, all good. Anyway, love you all, and I hope to see you soon in some other videos of mine. Until next time.